Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana inbox and notification settings. If you're managing multiple projects and collaborating with team members, mastering your Asana inbox will help you stay on top of updates without feeling overwhelmed by constant notifications. Let's dive into how you can efficiently manage your notifications and customize them to fit your workflow. First, head over to the Asana web app and take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see various navigation options here that help you move around the platform. Click on Inbox, which serves as your central notification hub. This is where all your updates, mentions, task assignments, and comments from across your projects will appear in one organized stream. Once your inbox is open, you'll see a list of notifications, including things like comments on tasks you're following, new assignments, status updates from projects, and mentions where someone has tagged you directly. These notifications keep you informed about what's happening across your workspace without having to check each project individually. To interact with any notification, simply click on it to view the full details or to respond directly. You'll notice action buttons appear on the right side of each notification. If you want to keep your inbox tidy, click the archive icon to remove notifications you've already addressed. This doesn't delete them, it just moves them out of your main view. For notifications you want to revisit later, click the three dots next to the notification and select Mark as unread. This keeps it flagged in your inbox so you remember to follow up. If there's something particularly important you need to track, click the bookmark icon. Bookmark notifications stay easily accessible, and you can remove the bookmark once you've dealt with them. When your inbox starts filling up, you can quickly clear everything by clicking the three dots menu in the inbox header and selecting Archive All. Don't worry about losing these notifications. You can always find archived items by clicking the Archive tab within your inbox. Now let's customize your notification settings. Click your profile photo in the bottom left corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Notifications tab where you'll find all your notification preferences. Here you can toggle browser notifications on or off, depending on whether you want pop-ups while you work. Scroll through and choose which types of notifications matter most to you, whether that's task updates, comments, or project activities. For more granular control, scroll down to the Project Notifications section and click Manage Notifications. This lets you customize notifications for each individual project, toggling specific updates like new tasks, status changes, or comments on or off. If you need uninterrupted focus time, you can set Do Not Disturb hours or mark specific days off to pause notifications entirely. All your changes save automatically, so just close the settings window when you're finished customizing. And there you have it. You now know how to manage your Asana inbox and tailor your notification settings to work the way you do. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.